This spring, let's meet in Seoul. Boyee will showcase its core lithium battery equipment at InterBattery 2026. FCCVD single-walled carbon nanotube equipment enables a continuous production of high-purity, highly structured SWCNTs. Dry and wet bead mills flexible adaptation to various processes, achieving nano-level grinding and highly efficient dispersion. High-density LFP production line realizes large-scale production of high-compaction density lithium iron phosphate materials, breaking energy density limitations. Oxide and sulfide solid-state electrolyte production line provides complete process solutions for solid electrolyte manufacturing, overcoming scale-up challenges. CVD silicon carbon anode production line ensures uniform deposition with no dead angles, zero batch deviation, and fully enclosed and safety control production. InterBattery 2026 booth number B550A. We look forward to meeting you and exploring the future of the lithium battery industry together.